At 5, it is a new approach to community care.
Yeah, the Cleveland City Council is considering a $1 million measure that aims to combat crime and prevent poverty by helping the city's youth. It would be the city's rec centers leading that charge. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg is live outside the Fairfax Rec Center to tell us how that program would work. Hey, Jordan.
How you doing? This approach, this potential program, takes a look at how crime and poverty can both be considered public health issues. And supporters say by helping kids early on, it can help them break the cycle. They are places of refuge, places to relieve stress. And for kids like Dwayne Henderson, rec centers are like a second home.
Here you learn a lot, you see a lot, you know a lot. So it's real fun and good.
Rec centers like Fairfax help with the physical health of neighborhood kids, but soon it might help with their mental health.
We want to add that extra dimension where we actually make sure that we promote healthy communities.
If approved by the City Council, $1 million will go toward training the staff at the city's 21 rec centers on how to spot symptoms of toxic stress and trauma in the city's youth. Counselors would also be installed.
Identify it better, identify it sooner, identify what resources are available to connect them to, and make sure that we have a system of care in our rec centers that does more than just say you can come in here and blow off steam.
But why the rec centers? Supporters say it's simple. That's where the kids are. And the relationships between staff and kids have already been cemented.
Those are the folks in the front line. This is not about some group in an academic boardroom pondering philosophy. This is about on-the-ground employees of the City of Cleveland that interact with our children every single day and will be able to identify these issues.
That's what we want our centers to be. In the school year, they come directly after school. A lot of them come here, they get help with homework, they come here. So we want to add that extra dimension where we actually make sure that we promote healthy communities.
For Dwayne Henderson, his future looks bright. He has goals of maybe being a firefighter or a 5-star chef. Whatever he may be, he says the rec center had a big part.
So many children out here don't really know what they want to do. They want to be on the streets. And I think opening this rec and having this rec close by can take some of these children off the streets, get their mindset, get their education right. They can move on up, be successful.
And if this is passed, the program would be funded for 1 year with an additional 1-year option. So how do you quantify success and how do you quantify return on investment? I asked that question to two of the city councilmen. Here are their answers coming up at 6. Reporting live in Cleveland, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.